Variant configuration allows customers to order individualized products by choosing from a set of predefined options. Variant configuration dependencies are specified within PEO production engineering. Then, based on customer selected options, demand for the appropriate materials will be generated by MRP, and PEO production operations will execute the relevant routing activities. If external processing is required, we specify vendor information at the appropriate operation within the work instruction routing. On production order release, a purchase rec is created for the required service and subsequently executed as a purchase order. The benefit is external processing is part of the normal workflow in both production engineering and production operations and is accounted for across the intelligent enterprise, including supply chain, logistics, and finance. Released engineering packages from PLM are received as snapshot revisions in PEO containing the source EBOM 3D visuals and can include additional supporting artifacts. This functionality enables a stable handover to manufacturing and is based on a change package rather than individual EBOMs. New capabilities allow the manufacturing engineer to direct the 3D model to a specific orientation and save it as a hyperlinked work instruction view. When the shop floor worker selects the hyperlink, the model will rotate and zoom to the specified view. A new production integration portal workspace has been added to PEO to consume product and manufacturing information directly into work instruction, such as tool callouts, component lists, data collection points, and so on. The PMI data is tracked at the object level for targeted PMI data change management, making it easy to monitor and maintain any instance where PMI data has been leveraged. Planned and unplanned removals are accommodated through disassembly functions within PEO. In all cases, when disassembly occurs, as-built history and product genealogy is maintained, and removed parts are tracked via goods movement within the system. In complex assembly manufacturing, it is important that work is performed in the most optimal and efficient way. Sometimes, though, due to part shortage, rework, or some unforeseen event, it is necessary to break from the norm and allow the execution of operation activities to happen out of sequence. Production engineers can decide in the shop floor routing whether adherence to operation sequence is mandatory. If they opt for flexible execution, the sequence of operations will be used for planning and scheduling, but can be detoured during production operations. PEO allows manufacturing engineers to define a meaningful name to component instances in order to correlate the visual depiction and physical location of components during assembly, disassembly, reassembly, and other production activities. New multi-level as-built history provides the ability to drill down no matter how many sublevels exist, cross-navigate to subassemblies, review associated production orders, see how the as-built looked at a certain date, and print the as-built information as required. A new capability in PEO allows tool tracking in both terms of usage and location. When tools are called out within the routing, the manufacturing engineer can specify if the tool is to be tracked. Then, when scanned on the shop floor, tool usage is tracked in as-built history and is also tracked for location. The benefit is that we know not only what tools were used to assemble which products, but we also know where tools are located on the shop floor for retrieval. Please visit sap.com for additional details on S/4HANA manufacturing.